Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use interactive brokers on TradingView. The first thing I want you to do is actually open up any chart. So I'll come here, hover over markets, we'll see the different assets. I'll just come here, click on stocks, and let's say we'll pick Apple, right? And then it will redirect us right here to the ticker symbol. Click here on full chart. So now once we have this opened up here at the bottom, you should see trading panel. So click on it to open up the trading panel and you'll see all their trusted brokers. Of course, you can search up interactive brokers right here, but usually if you just scroll down, click on show all brokers, you will see it right here. There we go. Just go ahead and click on it. And then what you need to do is click here on proceed anyway. Okay. And then click here on connect. And what you just need to do is make sure you are logged into interactive brokers as well. It will go ahead and open up, make sure you're logged in, and then you just go ahead and log into either your live account, the username and password, or your paper account, whichever one you wanted. And then it will be automatically connected and authorized. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.